Hello and welcome to Daminion. This is a video about Daminion Connector for Photoshop, which allows you to get the access to the catalog and work with PSD/PSB files directly with Adobe Suite and make changes available to the team. Let's explore how it works. To activate the Daminion Connector, install the Daminion Connector first. To download the Daminion Connector, open your Daminion web client and select a file. Start dragging this file over the thumbnail area, and the following notification window will be displayed. Click the Download button. In the window that appears, you can read the description of the Daminion Connector core functionalities and download the Daminion Connector installer for your operational system. Once the installation process is complete, the Daminion plugin will be available in InDesign, Illustrator, Premiere, and Photoshop. After that, you can open Photoshop on your workstation. Please note, when using a Mac computer with the M processor, you must start Photoshop in Rosetta mode. To do that, find the application folder and click on the application icon so as to find the Get Info tab. Here you will find the checkbox which you need to click so as to open Photoshop in Rosetta mode. To enable the plugin, click on the window in the upper menu of Photoshop instance and find the Extensions Legacy tab. Here you need to click here so as to enable the Daminion Connector. Once enabled, it will be on the right side, as I'm showing to you right now. Now enter the URL address of the Daminion web catalog and your credentials so as to connect to the catalog. Here you have the access to the same tools available for the search, filtering, and sorting so as to easily locate the required files. Now you may start the editing process using the Photoshop tools. Let's select a file and place it into the document. So here you have two options to choose from. You can open it as a new document or insert it as a new layer. Once the editing process is completed, you can save the edited files back into the Daminion. To do that, you have this icon on the upper right corner of the Daminion Connector with all the available options. Let's take a look. Log the document. This option logs the files into the catalog by checking them out and making them unavailable for editing by other users. You can also unlog the file if needed, if you would like to make it available for the rest of the team. Upload it as a new asset. The edited file will be uploaded as a completely new asset into the catalog and opened in the full screen preview in the web browser. This action will generate a new asset within the catalog. You can also upload the file back as a new version. In this case, you create a new version which will be saved in the version history of this specific asset. When creating a new version, you can provide the comments if needed. The last action here, locate the document into the Daminion, will help you easily find the file within the catalog. If you go to the menu here and check the history of this specific asset, you will find the latest versions created. You also will find by whom it was created, when, and the comment provided. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.